Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moore and I am creating portraits. First of all, thank you so much again for being here on my YouTube channel, for following me through my creative process. It's really mean a lot to me. The idea for this look is neat because I realized I don't have enough content to last me through my vacation, and I was thinking that I need one more spectacular look. So on Monday I decided that I need it, so by the Friday I already had the look, I have accessories, I have the clothes, I find the model, that was the most complicated part, and we already had the shoot. The main inspiration for the outfit was Kendall Jenner Halloween look, and I don't have even near the budget what she having, but I had this amazing fabric. I have only 1.5 meters. It's like very low amount to work with, but I come up with a bustier and I have this like an amazing sleeve. I have two of them obviously, and I even have this like golden buttons to make it look more tailored than it actually is.
Unfortunately, the golden fabric was way too transparent to use it on their own, so I need something like a base to hold the form and to not reveal too much of my model. First of all, I start with the sleeves, I clip everything together, then I create the texture because originally the fabric didn't flow this beautiful way that I wanted. Then actually I sew it all together, and this is exactly how I made this.
For the accessories, I really want to keep this angel aesthetic, so I have this amazing halo. It's like very light to work, it's like very cool. I also have the earrings, they also very nice, but my piece stunning adventure is this glasses. Unfortunately on the pictures they doesn't look good, so I only have one picture of them, but I think they're kind of cool.
I start with a wire to create this halo form, then actually I cut all the feathers and attach them to the wire, then actually I decorate everything with a lot of golden flowers and golden butterfly. I try to keep it classy but still very light so my model can model it through. Then I start working with the earrings. I have some classical paintings, I cut everything together, glue to the earring base, and that was it. Classic and very cute.
My model name is Alicia, and I worked with her before when she was a blonde, but right now she has this like wolf cut in a deep red color. So the wolf cut didn't work exactly with the angel vibe, so I decided to have this like very long extensions. And on a shoot I realized that Alicia have this like very cool dark red nails, and I decided to match the lips, and now it's like less angelic vibes and more seductive vibes.
Because it was a first look this day, as usually I start with a little skin prep routine, then we attach the hair extensions and we curl everything together. That was the most time consuming part because the hair took a lot of a portion of the time. Then actually I finally started to do the makeup. Alicia had the most beautiful brows in the world, so I tried to keep the form. Then actually we darken up the eyes, and I even had the golden eyeliner. Unfortunately the camera didn't pick up it very well. Then actually we darkened the lips and have this like more dramatic look with everything together. Then actually I let the hair go, style it, and this is how we come up with this gorgeous angelic look.
As you know, I do all my pictures in the room, so I don't have a lot of variety of backgrounds, so I used my usual texture yellow background, but I want to frame it with like two fabric hanging from side to side to this like more theatrical effect.
We already worked with Alicia before, and I know she's very capable of modeling through every look that I could throw on her. So the main issue here was the backup light, because I really want to have this like more dramatic draping, and the original color of the drape wasn't that great, but with the color light it's really come to life and the picture look very cool, very dramatic and very angelic. I love them a lot.
In the post-production my biggest flaw was the fit of a bustier because, as I mentioned, I'm not a professional tailor, so I need to fix this, and the rest was amazing.
Also, I should mention that in some pictures the draping was kind of off, but the rest was really cool. Alicia have a very nice skin. It's basically just a color correction.
The end pictures come out really beautiful. I love Alicia a lot. She's looking so stunning. I like the light, it's very dreamy. I like the vibes, it's very angelic. The only thing that I would choose if I could, I would add up the smoke, but unfortunately, because I do all my pictures in the room, I cannot add the smoke in real life because I have a smoke detector. So I have no idea how to do this. So this is the end of my video. Thank you so much again for being here. I hope you like my process. I hope you like the pictures and everything. And